All right, ready? Here we go. Open up. Yes, open up. Let me see. Okay. Yes. Yum, yum, yum. Yum, 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 yum.
Good job, Sadie.
Tessa, do you like cereal? Let's see. Tessa. There you go. Ready? All right, here we go. What's Daddy have? Is he taking a video of this? There you go. I know. Here, you take some. We need to do a mid-feeding wipe. There you go. All right, ready? All right, Tessa Bear, ready? Good job. Good job. Ready? Okay, ready? A little more. Oh, you're gonna help? Okay. Good job. Good job helping. Good job. Good job. Yes, this is fun, isn't it? You wanted to eat big person food, didn't you? Big girl food. Mmm. Yeah. All right, ready? Here we go. Ready? Here we go. Open up. Mmm. Okay, ready? What are you doing to those fingers? I know you want to eat like that. I know you want to suck. This is what we're going to do. Here, let's try this. Yes. Yes, that's a good job. Do you want us to take just a still photo?